I have like around 8 years of experience, and this 8 years of experience, I have not learned anything what I have learned in this 2 day. So because they'll teach you all the things from the basic, and also how you can use the AI in those tools.
Achieving a salary of 40% hike.
From the first class only, you will see the results by yourself.
Okay. So, hello, Parul. Welcome. It's such a pleasure to have you here today in this testimonial interview. So, before we begin, how are you feeling?
I'm really excited.
Okay. So great. Today we want to go beyond just the outcome that you have achieved. So, we want to explore your full journey, where you started, what pushed you, and how you learned, what you applied from the master course, and ultimately how you transformed yourself to get the success that you have today. So, let us rewind the time a little. So,
Sure.
can you introduce yourself for those who may not know you?
Sure. Hi everyone, I'm Parul Gupta. So currently I'm working with Accenture as an analyst. And here I'm working in the operations department, like the order management and handling the order management system for the India. For our client is a FMCG based company. So, handling all of the orders and making them processed in the SAP, preparing the BRD recipe that includes my responsibility in the particular role. And now by this course I have switched to a technical job. This is a proper non-technical profile, but after taking this course I'm switching to the technical profile.
Okay, fine. So, what was your life before? Or, if I have to be precise, like, what was your professional situation like before the masterclass?
So if I tell you regarding the timeline, so for example my manager asked me to prepare a presentation that what our process looks like if I want to present it to someone who is coming new to our project. So it generally it will take around more than one day, in fact, to prepare that presentation. But after going through this class, they have trained us so much that we can just prepare the presentation in less than half an hour, I'll say.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, if I'll talk about the Excel, so my mostly, 90% of my belongs to Excel and using all the formulas and everything. But now, I don't have to, calculate the things manually. I don't have to put the formulas manually. I can use the AI in the Excel itself and it will do all my work in just, seconds, in fact.
Okay. Your work involved working with Excel on a daily basis, right?
Yes, correct.
So, what kind of specific challenges or roadblocks that you were facing the Excel, and what actually made you seek a change with the masterclass?
So, the major problem what I see in my Excel is, we are handling a lot of data. So, first, before doing anything in the, data, it has to be clean. That was a major problem. That before, doing anything, data should be clean and in the proper format. So, in that, it really helped me a lot because, I don't have to do all the things that, it should be center line, it should be, in the proper format, and what should be the, font size and everything. Like, it should be in the date format, everything. Yeah, right? For example, if I talk about the name, it should be from the first name and then the last name, and in the proper format, the capitalization of the words, etc. So it really helped me.
Okay, fine. So, what made this masterclass stand out to you at that moment when you are actually facing those challenges?
So I just got this class via the Instagram story. So I was just, scrolling the Instagram and then I saw this program. And there it was a 2 day workshop. So, they were saying that, they were saying like you can do things in just minutes instead of, putting so many hours into it. And so many AI tools they will, go through and they will teach it. So I thought, why not just, and it was just for rupees 9 only. So I thought we are just spending like, right? So we can spend like rupees 9. It's just a small amount. And if I learn something new, it will reduce my time as well. So why not? Just join the class, or maybe, if it will not be beneficial, then I will also not regret because it's just 9 rupees. And for today's time, 9 rupees, I don't think it's very much for everyone.
Right.
So I visited, after going into that workshop, only 2 day workshop, I thought, yeah, I, मतलब पहले क्यों नहीं आया? It was like, that was my reaction. Like,
Right.
in the time I have spent, but I have like around 8 years of experience, and this 8 years of experience, I have not learned anything what I have learned in this 2 days only. So it's, motivated me to enroll for the complete course.
Right. So, so what was your first impression of the learning environment and structure with masterclass?
It was like mind blowing, I'll say, because it includes so much. They'll teach you from the basics only, and you can convert from a non-tech background easily. Like this. So because they'll teach you all the things from the basic, and also how you can use the AI in those tools. For example, if I talk about the SQL, if anyone like me from the non-tech background, I was not aware like how to extract the data from SQL, how to in fact you know just run the simple code in fact. But by this class, I have learned from the basics and also how to use the AI while doing these things. If I stuck somewhere, for example, as I'm new to SQL, if I stuck somewhere, so they have also teach us that how to debug the code, how to find the error from the code. So there are multiple AI tools by which we can do the same.
Fine. So I would like to ask you one more thing.
Sure.
Uh, so now that you have got benefited from the masterclass, right? So there are other peers who are also, they are going to attend the masterclass in the coming days. So, would you like to suggest what was your learning style? So, can you describe it so that they can get the best out of masterclass from that particular learning style of yours?
Sure. Yeah, of course. So I'll recommend, first you should make notes for sure. And, you should not practice in between the class. Because, while the class is going on, only focus on the learning instead of, doing anything else, like practicing anything until and unless they'll ask you. So you should only learn on the focus on the learning. First you learn and then do the practical. Leave it there that you have learned and now you have learned everything. No, just do the practice out of, because you'll be having classes on the weekends. And then I would suggest that on the weekdays, you should practice that. And, they are having the Q&A sessions in the weekdays. And any questions is there, you can just ask it on the same time. They will give you the custom chat GPTs as well. You can just ask them correct at that point of time only, wherever you are stuck. So they'll help you at that time.
Okay, fine. So, so were you able to consistently, attend the live sessions?
Yes, I was.
And what helped you stay regular?
So because multiple things, if I'll have to, switch from a non-tech to technical background, so there are multiple tools I have to learn. Because if I'll skip somewhere, for example, I have learned SQL and now I think, I thought that I should move to data analysis. No, I cannot. Because, after SQL, I should be able to, present it as well. I should learn the Power BI as well. If I, just skip the classes, I have learned SQL, now skip the classes of Power BI, then, it will not benefit you as much as if you join all the classes, it will give you the benefits.
That's great. So I'm really happy that you attended the sessions regularly because
Yeah.
the consistency matters a lot, and everyone who is working on a particular skill.
Yeah.
So consistency is the key. So as you were attending the sessions regularly, I would like to know was there a particular session or a mentor whose teaching style was great for you? Like it should have shifted your thinking or broke through a limiting belief. So was there any particular session or mentor that impacted a lot on you?
So I don't remember the name exactly,
Okay.
but the one who taught us the Power BI.
Is it Swapnil?
Yeah. Swapnil was the one, who taught us the Power BI. So
Okay.
it was a great session because, earlier I was doing the Power BI, but I was just doing the basic thing. But, the way he has, taught us, the way he has shown how we can use the Power BI, and the way he was giving the practical, examples, just not only just showing it, instead, just giving the practical example related to our, day-to-day life. That was really helped us, so that we can, think over it and, what can be the situation and what can be the solution for the same that we can present to our client. What is there in their mind and how we can think of the same.
Okay, okay. That's great. And I would also like to, convey this feedback to Swapnil as well, because
Sure, yeah.
it will also give him enough motivation to,
Correct.
motivate more learners like you
Yes.
in the coming days. So I'm really happy for him as well. So I would like to know one thing, that you said you were facing difficulty and challenges with the Excel, as it was your daily work that you used to do in your previous workplace. So when you attended the master class,
Mhm.
when did you feel first like, okay, I can actually apply this in my previous work? Was there a moment where things started connecting? So can you tell me about that moment?
Yes, yes, of course. So, as I've earlier mentioned, like 90% of my work is on Excel only. So, after extracting the data from the customer portal, so, it is huge data. So, so when the tutor told us that you can use the Copilot in the Excel, and then, it will suggest all the formulas, and it will also help you in cleaning the data instead of doing it manually. So, that's the point, you can say, that triggered me, that why not, like, I was doing these things manually, and I was just not aware how to use this Copilot version. And I was thinking, when the class was started, I was thinking that there must be some tool or something where we have to fetch the data and anything. But no, it was on the Excel only. We just have to turn it on, and we should be aware that how to use the same. It was there only, but still, we were, because before this class we were not able to skills there and how we can use it to simplify our work. So that was.
Oh, fine. That's amazing to know, Parul. So what was your first real reaction when you took that decision and implemented what you have learned in your work?
Was just totally mind blowing, because it really helped me. What I was doing in arts, it just took me minutes. So it was like, oh my god, it really helped me.
Right. So did you get to impress your seniors at workplace?
Yes, So in the, I guess, in the first third class, Aditya asked us, to prepare a doc or the research, and to present it to our boss, like how AI is taking over the jobs, and impression of the AI in the today's generation. So I have prepared that research paper and shown it to my manager, and he was like, God, what you have prepared? I was, in fact, my manager was not able to digest it.
Okay, okay.
So the reaction I got from my manager.
Okay. Like, did they ask you in particular, like, what you have done to achieve this feat?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay.
They have asked me, like, what are you doing? In fact, how you have prepared this such research?
Right.
What kind of tools or you are using? So then I've mentioned that I'm doing a course.
Okay. So, Parul, I will get into the point straight. So, what was the exact achievement or milestone that you finally reached with this masterclass?
Mhm. So, I first of all, I just got the 40% hike, and I have switched my job on a non-tech profile to a technical profile. So that is the biggest achievement. Switching from a non-tech field to a technical field, that that is really difficult without having any prior knowledge. You know,
That's great. And so, how did it feel to reach this goal after the effort you have put in after the masterclass?
I cannot, tell you in the words. I'm just speechless, because, from a technical, because I have done the BTech, and, currently I'm doing just the operation thing. So it really, somewhere in the heart, it was like, oh my God, I have done the BTech, but still I'm doing the non-tech thing. Now, as I've, switched into the technical profile, it is like now
Oh,
my BTech worth it.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is only possible because of this course.
That's really amazing to know, Parul, because we actually feel very happy to see learners like you, because we also get motivated to bring up better quality learning for the rest of the learners or for the upcoming learners. So one more question to you, like let's say you have got this achievement and you're very happy with it, right? So we would like to know what was the process of achieving this milestone in your life, like what did you do on a daily basis after attending the masterclass so that you got a good offer with a 40% salary hike? Because
Correct.
we want to take these words from you to other learners as well, so that even they can apply the the same steps in their daily life, so that they will also achieve some similar results in their
Correct.
s- job search process.
So, first of all, I have optimized my LinkedIn profile. And
Okay.
they, has given us the many tools by which I have, properly optimized my LinkedIn profile. And then, whenever on the weekends I learn anything, like for example, I've learned the SQL, and then in the weekdays, I was used to do the practicals. I used to take the mini projects and then, do all the hands-on practice so that, if anyone asks me, any interviewer asks me that you don't have the experience, then I'll showcase done this project. So, without having experience, but still, you have these projects that also counts as an experience. So, doing the practicals after the session that really helped me. And after, optimizing the LinkedIn and after, showcasing all the certificates and all the things I'm doing from the this course. So, I always used to put the post on the daily basis that I have learned this, and I have, achieved this thing. So it
Right.
helped me in getting this job. I have applied by the LinkedIn only for this job.
Wow. So that's a good strategical move, because LinkedIn plays a good role in fetching you
Yes.
relevant opportunities. So yeah, seeing
You
your
will connect to, multiple people, and, you can ask them for the referrals.
right, 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 right. So, but before reaching out for referrals, it's very important to project ourselves in a
Yes, correct.
appropriate way, so that
Yes.
we should make ourselves feel relevant to the job
Correct.
that we're applying for. So
Correct.
addressing all the relevant skills in our profile is very much important, and thank you so much for that information. So on a final note, I would like to ask you, like, what would you say to someone who is on the fence about joining this masterclass? So what advice will you
I
use
would
to the future learners?
I would say you should definitely join this program, and from the first class only you will see the results by yourself. From the first class only. Just take the first class and you'll see the results in your work, but only after applying it, not just learn it. After applying it, you will see the results from the first class only. And it will, give you the motivation to learn more and more and more, to
Right,
be consistent for the whole program.
right.
Not skip, because first you should start taking it, and after taking the first class you will getting motivation from yourself that
Okay.
we should continue.
Okay. What kind of mindset should someone adopt to, to truly benefit from this masterclass?
So I'd say first is the consistency, then all the classes, and dusra, you should do the practicals. You should implement what you are learning.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, right. Got it. So, what's that one thing you wish you had known before starting this journey with BTNX?
So I would say actually, I was, preparing to for the technical field, but I was not aware that what are the things you should keep in mind, and what are the tools you should learn, and how to. After learning the tools, you can do the certification from any site, or from the YouTube. You can learn anything, but learning is just not the thing. How to implement the same, and how this will help you in your job. So that is the one thing which I have learned from this program, because they'll give you the practical examples and how you can use the same in your company, in your job profile. So that is the one which you'll not get on the YouTube or any program which is offering.
Or any other resources available on the net?
Yeah.
Right. Got it. Parul, your story is genuinely inspiring, and thank you so much for opening up and sharing your experience so honestly with us. And one last question before we close.
Yeah.
What's next for you now that you have hit this milestone of achieving a salary of 40% hike? And what are you excited to build or chase next?
Okay, so after joining in, I'll be joining in the next month actually in my new profile. So there I'll be implementing all the tools which I have learned in the technical profile, and after that I would also see how this can benefit me in the new profile, and I go through all the the past classes as well to refresh all the things and to use the same.
Right, right. So, we would want to see you, achieving more milestones, implementing all the skills that you have learned with us. And we are really looking forward to it. And thank you so much, Parul. We are so proud to have you part of this journey. And we know your story will, motivate others to take that leap too. So I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
So, okay.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.